Yeah, both of them. Don't move this though. Just mark it. Yeah, and there's one down there somewhere. Right, so you're gonna see now if you living up to your name. Say the sniper. Because it's got the tow bar thing here. You have to go through this and then this hole. It's just not enough for it. See, I'll tell you what, you are Sid the sniper. Every time marking comes, you always get it. Oh, that is beautiful. So that is poetry, guys. So end the video.
Thanks for watching.
And I'll see you with the next one.
Yeah.
Enigma Production.
Welcome back to the video. So today we are going to be just adding some rare just some fins at the back from Maxton. I'll put them down in the link description below, but just a few things first. Jack your car up because we're going to be drilling holes at the back. Just use some bricks, right? Because whenever you jack the back up, you don't really have anything stopping it from rolling. You can put it in gear, but the thing is, if you put it in gear 1, it's still gonna roll forward. If you put it in reverse, it's still gonna roll back. So just use bricks on either side, because whenever you jack the front up, you always have a handbrake that's stopping the back from rolling. But when you jack the back up, the front's just gonna be rolling. Just use bricks, right? Yeah. Right. So these are what we're dealing with. So have a sit down. So take it easy. No, you need to see this bastard. Right, so what we're dealing with there. Big gap. Now let's see how many bolts they give us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They give us a lot of bolts, but I'm gonna just use 2 bolts on each side. Right, so this is how it's looking. Okay. Now the bit at the back, which is like a spikier one, goes like this. Okay. You seeing this? Right. So this part here, see how it's levitated? This is just a protective thingy. I'll take that off in a bit, right? So this bit here that's levitated, that goes here. Sadiq, can you see that? Just this bit. So you drill one hole into this and one hole into the actual bumper. So this bit sits like that, and then this bit just sits into this bit. Can you see this, Sadiq? Yeah? It just sits into there, right? And it's gonna look like that. Right, Sadiq? We're winning. Right, so now drill one hole, and you can get to the bolts from the back of here on both sides. So it'll be alright tightening them. Now just to figure out how deep we want each hole to be. Maybe about one there. Yeah, one in the middle of there, Sadiq. That'll be alright, huh? Okay, Sadiq, we go. Let's take a bit off. Yeah, gloss black. Oh, that's beautiful, right? Right, drill. Let's find out what holes. What diameter? Fuck. Cannot fix that. Cannot, I think. Yeah, 6. That's an 8mm drill, so it's 6mm bolts, so I'll drill it 8mm. Yeah, I'm going with a 6. So pilot first with something 5.56 will do. I'm gonna get one right here. And one in the middle of there. Middle of there. Okay, so that's 5.56. Now the reason I drill it 8mm is so I have a bit of play. Just so, because they come with washers, you see. Now that washer's big enough, right? That's like a 12mm washer, the width of it. And the thing is, I'll show you now. What was it? I'll show you what I mean. Just in case they don't line up. There we go. Just in case, when I put this on like that, right, they have a little bit of play. So say for instance, see that? It's got a little bit of play. Just so if when I mark the holes, they don't line up, it's not going to be stiff. It's still going to go in, okay? That's the way to do it, Sadiq. You go. But Sadiq, you're Sid the Sniper. And last time we put the spoiler on, everything worked out alright, Sadiq. Yeah? You ready, Sadiq? You ready? Alright, I'm going to hold it now, Sadiq. And you're going to mark with... You remember this? You marking? Yeah, yes you go. Right. Righty-o. Let's see here now. A bit dirty there. Right, Sadiq, now we got to put the camera down, or I'll get Ibrahim to record. Where it feels nice. Yeah, Sadiq, yeah, mark that. There's 2 holes, one here somewhere, and one down. You see it? Yeah, both of them. Don't move this though, just mark it. Yeah, and there's one down there somewhere. Is there, I think. Don't move it. Find it. Yeah, go down, bitch. Go down. That's it. You got it? Yeah, beautiful. Let's get the other side. Get on this side. Just like that. Wait, hold it. Sit nicely in. Like that. What are you saying, Sadiq, yeah? Hold up. That line there, I think. Yeah, here I go on. Smack some up. Line them up, big man. Don't feel for it, bitch. Just look at it and go down. You got it. Alright, Sadiq. Yeah, get the camera, big one. Right, Sadiq. Gonna see now if you living up to your name. Sid the Sniper. Sid the Sniper. Right, Sadiq. The holes that you marked. Hold there, man. And just check that you can reach it. Yeah, I can get this out. Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Yeah. Let's get one on first. That is beautiful, eh? Right. See here? Wash it on first. Then him. And then obviously you're not going to be, I won't be able to see it. You just got to feel for it inside. Put a washer over him. And then the bolt. Here you go. Washer first, see that? Washer in. Washer there. Washer there. We'll find him. They've got little bulges like this, which are just gonna sit nice. They're doing it. Get out of the guys. Let's take it on. That is beautiful, that is. Now let's line up the others. Sadiq, bring your chair, go on that side. Now this one here, yeah, I can get to it, but on the side. Oh fucking hell, I didn't even drill this. But yeah. Oh, bloody drilled him. Whoa. It's got something there. Ah. Wait, oh, fucking tow bar, innit? Oh, it's the tow bar. Bastard. Right. Where is he now? Can I still get to, actually I can still. Yeah, be alright though. Yeah, put him back on. Wondering what's going on there. Yeah, let's drill straight through it. Be alright, we can get a bolt through it. We're in into the. We get there down. We get there down. Oh, let's get a thumbnail before I put this on the other side. Yeah, let's get a thumbnail there. Back in a minute. Thumbnail done. Done. Man, I have tripping balls today, man. They didn't put it 8mm. Find him from the inside. Another one. We go right there. Oh, that bolt's short. It's fucking short. I'm gonna try get, because it's got the tow bar thing here. You have to go through this and then this hole. It's just not enough for it. It's not enough for it. Let me try just without washing. Means no, that's it. Yeah. Try using one washer, I just push. Hopefully go on. Right. Because it's just the length of it, it's not enough. So no washer on this side, washer on the inside. I think I can get a few threads on it. Yeah, I've got it. Yeah, right, so now give me the camera here. Have a look at him before we tighten him. Let's go, me. That's there. That's there. It goes nicely with that there. That goes nicely with that there. Not too close to the wheel because you don't want it too close, otherwise if your car's lower then it's going to rip off. That's beautiful, actually. There you go. Now it's the Allen key bolt, T25, yeah, T25 and a 10mm spanner. And this first one, I'm not going to tighten that much. So it ain't got no washer. Not too much. Look at that front bit. Ooh, goddamn! That's not going nowhere. They give you extra bolts, so they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. Oh, 2 fucking 8 bolts in that. You know what I mean? Not me, big one. Take it easy, thing. Just sit there. You don't need to record this. Just relax. Just keep rolling from there, big man. You don't want to sit down. It's too far, is there?
No, it's coming.
Oh. It's got a zoom.
No, wait.
See, I'll tell you what, you are Sid the Sniper. Every time marking comes, you always get it. See, your car.
It's not well.
Here's our.
All I have to do is just poke a pen.
Yeah, boy, it takes concentration, pinpoint accuracy. That's why you're Sid the Sniper. We're winning, Sid. It's fucking air. It's Joe, man, look at that. Strong that. It's not going no bloody way. So the final analysis. There she go. There she go. Oh, that is beautiful, right? So that is poetry, guys. Look at that, Sadiq. We are my brother. Yeah, we brother. That's beautiful, Sadiq. Here's that big one. Right, so Sadiq, end the video.
Thanks for watching.
And I'll see you with the
And
next
then,
one.
yeah.
Yeah.